You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word in British English, how it is said in the UK. We'll be looking at how to say more vocabulary, so stay tuned. Finance, finance. Stress on the first syllable. Now, it's also correct, and it's also used to stress on the second syllable and say it as finance, finance or finance. And I think it's because it's a French word originally and there's no particular emphasis on any particular syllable in French, so you can say it either ways, finance or finance. It's up to you, but now you know. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.